You can trade up and down and trade intraday without a bias. But you can't trade without an intraday bias in the beginning because you don't know what you're doing, which is the reason why I tell you focus on directional trading in the beginning. Not because that's all you should do, but you have to have a baseline to grow from and then be able to track your progress. And when you go in the drawdown, you go right back to basics. Go back to the basics. What are we today or a bearish day? I want to focus there. What time of the day am I looking at? Okay, I'm going to wait till it's really easy for setups to form. What's that sound like in ES? What's the easy setups? What's the silver bullet for fix and drawdown ICT? You've been talking a bunch of shit here, Val, and it might be entertaining for me. I might have chuckled a few times, but get to the brass tacks already. Tell me something. I've sat here and listened to this shit for a little while. Give me something to go home with. Okay. When you're in drawdown, and you really simply just got to have the fucking trade that you can trust. Trade that you want. Where does it happen? So how can I use this even when I'm not in drawdown? Where it forms consistently. Where does it form? ICT, come on, spill the beans, man. All this build up, all this bullshit's good. Yeah. I'm such a dick. 11 o'clock in the morning, your perfect time. You will find a fair value gap that will deliver 5 handles every fucking day. Guaranteed, absolutely fucking guaranteed. It's never going to be a day, even on a shit show day like on Friday. It will always, always be there, aiming for an opposing liquidity. Sell side or buy side. In my head, when I'm waking up sometimes, my wife prevents me from getting in front of the charts right at 9:30. She's understanding because I'm the mentor. The days I tell you I'm going to live stream, she graciously gives me that time to be here when I'm here with you. But sometimes we may be in bed longer in the morning because we stayed up later, or we may do something as a homeschooling with our kids, or something with the dogs. Something prevents me of being there at the 9:30 opening. I know as long as I get to my charts by 10 o'clock, and I can stay there till 11 o'clock, I can take something out every fucking day. Every day, even on days that have the shortened holiday schedule. When they close it like at noon. Don't believe me. Don't take my fucking word for it, folks. Don't believe anything I just said to you because I want you to go with your charts and you'll see it's always there. Absolutely. Guaranteed. 100%. It's always there. There's your silver bullet. There's your pass your funded account bullshit. There's your fucking win the Robbins Cup model. There's everything you're looking for between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. It happens every day. A minute. 30 second. 15 second. There's your 3 time frames. It will form in one of those 3 time frames. All you have to do is wait for the obvious run on liquidity. Is it going for buy side or sell side? And as long as it's giving you at least a range of 6 handles or more, you'll get your 5. What does that mean? As long as that fair value gap forms on a 15 second, 30 second, or 1 minute chart, you know where it's reaching for. It can be late in the move. I don't give a fuck. That's not chasing me. Because a fair value gap, that's what that is. It's in the middle. That's where the meat is on the bone, baby. See, you're looking at charts thinking you have to have that end joint. High part of the bone or the low part of the bone. Precision is not limited to that. When you look at a chicken leg, okay, where's all the meat at? It's not on the ends. It's in the middle. It's in the bulk end of one of those ends of the leg, but to the middle of the bone. And you get down to the opposite end, it's thinner. I don't know how to meat that. It's just a tendon down there. Nobody lets you eat that. A fair value gap is how you enter a trade that's in motion.